We're near Savannah, Washington, and we're heading for a wedge. We gotta wait for the wedge to dissipate. Dad, you're doing a bad idea. Bad idea. There's a wedge in the forest right now. We got to turn that way. We gotta get out of its path. I know it's heading for Warm Beach, probably the northern parts. No, southern parts, not the northern. Southern parts of the thing. We gotta wait. I mean, this is a bad idea. If we don't continue straight on the junction, we're done. We're dead. The best way is heading south, not west. Southeast is our best bet. I just saw a Team Dominator car right there. We need to head south. You hear me? You see that circle? It means, no, don't go west. Do not go west. Imbecile. You had one job, and now you're gonna kill us all. What are we even doing?
Going into the heart of the storm.
You serious?
We get the best info.
We can't do that with this. We don't have TIV hook downs. You need to attach those. It is right in front of us. The massive wedge. Look at the camera real quick. You see the circle that keeps us pointing at the dark sky? That is a tornado. Stop. Look, you see how many cars are coming this way? No. Oh my God. My phone's getting more glitchier. You gotta stop. I think that's a Team Dominator car again. No, wait. That car that we're gonna turn right there kind of looks like a Team Dominator one. Rental, I guess. Oh man, wow! That thing is massive! On the camera, it's keep on pointing a circle. That's where the tornado is spinning. I kind of see it. It's not moving. If it's not moving, it's coming right towards us. We gotta go. We can outrun it. Please, can we outrun it? It's coming right towards us. It's coming right towards us. Subordinate. We gotta go. Dad, you see the camera? Well, it's kind of putting the circle on the trees. We can't even see the tornado. I don't know where it's coming, but I know it's coming right this way because I don't see it moving. Oh, that thing is massive. It's like a wall of death. Nocturnal tornado. We got a nocturnal tornado. Oh my God. Why is somebody turning that way? No. That's a Team Dominator car. Ooh. Right in front of us is a normal car. Storm chasers of the Bexley Twister Tornado Chaser group. It's chasing a massive tornado, at least. I believe it's an EF5. We're chasing an EF5. It looks as big as like the El Reno. I think it's almost a mile wide. The main piece of the tornado storm. There are vortices, so many vortices spinning in one common center. And those vortices as big as this tree, as thick as that. My camera's getting glitchier, Dad. Oh man. Have we got debris? I think it landed on this side of the forest zone. Jesus, that's bright light. Oh, thank God there's a stop sign right here. So Team Dominator. Wait a minute, if it's over there... Dad, I think we just crossed the path that was heading towards us when we were by Olson Road. Stop, do not drift. What the hell were you doing? Are you insane? My God. I think I already hit the road that we went on by now. Either that Team Dominator car was taking shelter or was U-turning from the road. I don't know. We're in Warm Beach now. Oh my God. I think it's going to do a big circle because it might go along the road that we were on, Old Pioneer Highway, and maybe come back southwest-ish, west-ish. It's probably going to hit the northern part, which is most popular part. Hold on, what the hell is that?
How'd you know?
There's a bit. I think that's an EF2 tornado on southeast of our location again. It looks like we're heading right towards it. My God. We got a U-turn. We're going in the path. This whole entire Warren Beach is gonna get hit by the EF5 tornado. And this EF2 tornado is gonna maybe come. This is it's gonna come down into our direction and then come back over where the New Year's Eve party festival area where we went for last New Year's Eve. Yeah, I think we're going to that spot. Yes, I knew it. I knew. Okay. We're gonna take shelter at where I thought Dustin lived. So I knew we were. What?
Don't talk about him here.
Okay. Jeez.
I don't want you being all crazy and carrying on out here. Okay?
My God.
Be chill.
Well, there's two fucking tornadoes coming right for Warm Beach. Might hit us. Well, almost directly.
Don't be carrying on here, okay?
We're gonna have to take shelter.